No, 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 they should not exist. They should not, because most of the big brands should not exist today because... Hi, I'm Stalix. I tell stories about tech, money, and big brands. Well, at least I try. Everyone talks about tech and big brand, but no one really talks about how they really started. Some began with noodles and dried fish and ended up becoming the global powerhouse of electronics. Some started with toilet paper and today they're telecommunication giants. Some decisions almost bankrupt them, and the very next move brings them back stronger than ever. This channel is about the moments no one shows you, the wrong decisions, the strange beginnings, the quiet trick that turned nothing into billion-dollar power. If you're curious how technology and big brands rise, fall, and keep their secret, you're at the right place. Subscribe to the channel and enjoy the show.